With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, today our question is a block A of mass 4 kg is placed on another block of mass 5 kg and the block B rests on the smooth horizontal table. For the sliding block A on B, a horizontal force of 12 Newton is required to be applied on A. How much maximum force can be applied on B so that both A and B move together? Also find out the acceleration produced by this force. A, B, C, D option is given here. So we have to find which option is correct here. So the solution of this question is, firstly we can draw the diagram for it to understand it better. So this is our box here and this is M1 and M2 here. So this is A block here with mass 1 and this is B block, and we have the F forces here, and this is our smooth surface here, horizontal surface, and that is table here. So from this we can write here mass of A is 4 kg and mass of 2 is 5 kg. So M1 is 4 here and M2 is 5. So force applied on the A is F is equals to force is equals to 12 Newton. It is given to us, and we have this must be equals to kinetic energy friction applied on A at B. So we can write here our friction force is equals to Fk, that is kinetic force friction force here. So this is mu K, that is static friction, into R. So from this we can write here our static friction K is M1 G here, that is mass into gravity here. So from this we can write here Fk, friction kinetic energy friction force, is equals to mu K, and this is 4G here. So from this we can write here mu K is equals to friction force, and this is divided by 4G. So from this we get friction force is 12 divided by 4G, 3G here, 3G. From this we get this is 3 divided by G here, 3 divided by G here, and as block B is on smooth surface, so therefore A and B move together. So force applied on B is equals to friction force applied by B. So we can say that our force so that they move together. So this is 3 divided by G, and mass 1 plus mass 2. This is 4 plus 5. So this is equals to G, and G will cancel out here, and we get force is equals to 27 Newton here. So this is our answer here. Now we check which option is correct. Option C is correct here. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.